On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the best because it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them. I've mentioned a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join in my previous video. So just find the one that you want so that you can join. In this case, I'm using Store24. Store24 is one of the largest affiliate network where you can find a lot of digital products to promote to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So search for Store24. Once you search for it, you can create an account without even a website. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, you are going to get access to a lot of different affiliate offers that you can promote. There are many products on this platform and you can promote any of the products that you want so that you can make money once you get a sale. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want offers that are in English, you can select English. There are offers that are in German, so when you click on it, there are offers available in German that you can promote and other languages. So all that you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account, select the kind of products that you want so that you can promote them to make money from home. They have the products in different categories, so if you want a specific category of products, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then select the kind of product that you want. You can see they have digital products, events and seminars, services, shipping products. The shipping products are physical products. So if you want those kind of products, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. For example, if you want digital products, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the subcategories under digital products. You can see any of them. So just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money. There are many of them. Just go down and then click on any category that you want so that you can find available offers to promote. There are many of them. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a product under the home and garden category. So click on home and garden. Once you click on home and garden, you're going to see a page like this. These are products under the home and garden category that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them, but I'm looking for an offer that has a higher payout. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this product right here. The payout is very high. You're going to be earning $156.31. You can see the commission rate is $150.31. So if you promote it and get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. If you are able to get up to 2 sales, you are going to be making more than $300 in a single day. If you get more than 3 sales, you are going to be making a lot of money per day. So all that you need to do is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can get people to purchase it. So just click on the offer so that you can be able to see more details and then your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is the description of the product. You can see everything. So just read through so that you can understand the product much better. Apart from that, you have to also look at the sales page. The sales page is the landing page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So you have to get familiar with the information on the landing page before you promote it to others. To view the landing page, click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. This is the sales page of the product and you can see the information that is on the sales page. You can see everything. It is one of the best products because the sales page contains a lot of information that can get people to purchase the product. You can see everything. So your potential visitors will read all this information on the landing page. Once they get to know that the product will help them, they can go ahead and make a purchase for you to earn a commission on the Store24. You can see they have different testimonials. You can see everything. So all that you need to do is that you have to begin promoting the product. You can see all the information. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied onto your clipboard. You have to get people to click on that affiliate link and then purchase the product through that affiliate link so that you can be paid a commission of $156.31. The next step is that you have to find a traffic source. There are many traffic sources that you can use. In this case, I'm going to show you one of the high quality free traffic sources that you can use to promote the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is h1r.com. h1r.com is one of the best websites that you can post your ad to any location that you want. You can see in the United States, these are cities that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different cities that you can post your ad. You can see everything. Just select any city that you want and then post your ad. You can see in Australia, these are cities that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see Canada, these are cities that you can post your ad without paying for anything. United Kingdom, you can see these are cities that you can post your ad and without paying for anything. You can see India and many other places. You can see the categories. So any category that you want, you can find a product and then post it onto this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see the popular cities. You can see a whole lot of them. So now the strategy that you can use to get many people on this website to purchase the product is that you have to select a product, post it to any city in the United States. You can post it to 3 cities. Once that is done, select a different product and a different category in Days 224. Once you select the product, come back and then post it to any city in Australia that you want. Once that is done, you have to go back on Days 224, select a different category of products, post them to the cities in Canada. So just select a country, find a different category in Days 224, select a product, post it to people who live in the country that you have selected. Make sure you post as many as you want so that you can get people to purchase the product that you are promoting for you to make money. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish ad for free. Once you click on it, always make sure you close the ads. So close this one. Once that is done, you have to select the ad type. So click right here, individual. Once you click on it, click on continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then select a category. In this case, you are selling an item and the item is under the home and garden. So select garden supplies. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. You can see ad title and a description. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on Days 224, copy the details and then paste it right here. So come back on Days 224. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy the title of the product. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to come back and then copy the description of the product. So come back on Days 224. Once you come back, highlight and then copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to scroll down. You can see address. It is optional, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once that is done, you have to enter the price of the product that you are promoting. You can select any currency that you want, but in this case, the price of the product is in dollars, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to come back on Days 224. Once you come back, highlight and copy the price of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to enter your name and email address. So enter your name right here. Let's enter the name. Once you enter your name, you have to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, click right here, continue. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to enter your company name. It is optional, so if you don't have a company name, just leave it and then click right here, continue. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see select a country. So you have to select the location where you want to post the ad. So click on it and then select any location that you want. In this case, I'm posting to people who live in the United States. So select United States. Once that is done, you have to select the region. So select any state that you want. You can see many states. Let's select California. Once that is done, you can see the city. Click on it and then select any city that you want. Once you select the city, click right here, continue. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to enter your phone number. So if you want, you can enter your phone number and then click right here. I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Once that is done, you have to upload the image of the product. So what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for the images of the product. So open a new tab on Google and then search for the name of the product. Search for it so that you can find images of the product. Once you search for it, select images. Once that is done, select any image that you want. You can see these are all images of the product. Select any of the images that you want. Let me select this one right here. Once you select the image that you want, right click on it. Click on save image so that you can download your image. Let me click on save As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, download another one. So I'm going to download this one right here. So select save image as. Once that is done, click right here, save, so that you can save the image. Once you have saved the images of the product, click right here to upload your images. Once you click on it, select your images and then click right here, open. As you can see, the images have been uploaded. The next step is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see website URL. This is where you have to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on this 224. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see video URL. So if you have a YouTube video, you can paste the link right here. In this case, you don't have, so just click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, submit, so that you can submit your ad. Once you click on it, your ad has been submitted. You can see your listing has been received. It will be reviewed. So your ad has been submitted to the website. They have to review it to ensure that it does not contain any harmful content. Once that is done, your ad is going to be available on the website so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on this student for select a different category of products. Once you select a different category, come back on this website, select a different city and then post your ad. Keep on posting so that you can get results using this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.